Okay, so I'm just going to walk you through how you'd answer a question like this if you got one in an exam. So we've got to change the subject, and these are the fractional ones that we looked at before. So the first thing we're going to have to do is get rid of this fraction. Now, how do we get rid of the fraction? We're going to times both sides by our denominator. So times w minus 5 on both sides. So we're going to end up with g w minus 5 equals w, okay? We're going to have to expand out this bracket here. So we're going to have gw minus g5 equals w. Now we want to make w the subject, so let's get all of the w's onto one side. So we've got gw minus w equals 5g. So we're going to move this 5g over to this side, so add 5g to both sides. Now, we need to find w as a common factor here, so we're going to have to factorise out w. So w, g minus 1, and that equals 5g. Now, what do we do here? We divide both sides by this g minus 1, which gets rid of that bracket. So our w equals 5g divided by g minus 1. We've got another example over here. W equals 5x plus 5b over 3x minus 3a. So what do we do here? We times both sides by our denominator here again. So we've got w 3x minus 3a equals 5x plus 5b. Expand out our bracket here. 3xw minus 3a equals 5x plus 5b. Again, we're making x the subject, get all our x's onto one side. So I'm going to go 3xw minus the 5x here. I'm going to add the 3a to this side. So that is going to be 5b plus 3a. Now we've got our w and we've got our x, but it's in two terms. So what do? We're going to factorise out x. So we're going to take our x here. We're going to say, okay, x times 3w minus 5, and that equals 5b plus 3a. And then we can divide both sides by this to get rid of that bracket. So our x is equal to 5b plus 3a over 3w minus 5. And I hope that helps.